Hi, this tutorial will teach you how to make a sprite move. We will start by adding a new sprite and a backdrop for this project. Go to bottom right, there are two buttons here. The left one is choose a sprite and the right button is choose a backdrop. Let's go to choose a sprite. You can scroll down and pick any sprite that you would like. Here, I'm going to search for hedgehog. When I click on this hedgehog, it will appear on the screen. Let's move on to pick the backdrop. Go to bottom right again. Choose a backdrop. Same thing here. You can choose any backdrop here. I'm gonna pick boardwalk. Now the boardwalk appears on the screen. Let's reposition the hedgehog to the bottom left. Hold on the hedgehog and drag it to bottom left. And now I would like to remove this cat sprite, which is sprite 1. Click on sprite 1 and click on the delete button to remove it. Let's learn how to make the hedgehog move forward by a few steps. Go to Motion tab on the left side. The first code block, which is move 10 steps, we drag it here. And let's see what happens when we click on this block. We can see that whenever I click on this block, the hedgehog moves forward to the right by 10 steps. We can also make the hedgehog move backwards, which is to the left by 10 steps. Let's drag another block of move 10 steps here. Instead of 10, we are going to add in a negative sign in front of 10. Let's click on this and see what happens. We can see that whenever I click on this move negative 10 step, the hedgehog is moving to the left backwards. This means that a positive value will make the hedgehog move to the right, and a negative value will make the hedgehog move to the left. Now that we know which block is making the hedgehog to move to the left and right, let's try to include the left-right arrow keys from our keyboard. Go to Events here and pick When Space Key Press. Drag it on top of the Move 10 step, both of them. We know that Move 10 step is going to the right, so instead of Space Key, I'm going to change it to Right Arrow. Move negative 10 step is moving to the left, so change the space key to the left arrow. Let's try it out on our keyboard. Press the left and right key from your keyboard to make the hedgehog move right and left. Great! And now let's move on to making it up and down. Go back to Motion and scroll down for a bit and pick Change Y by 10. Drag it here. Let's click on this block and see what it does. We can see that change Y by 10. What is Y? Let's look at this part here. Y is one of the coordinates of the sprite. A coordinates consists of X and Y. X is the horizontal line, which is, we can see the arrow is pointing left and right. This means that X will control the coordinates of the hedgehog move left and right. And for the Y, we can see that it's vertical and the arrows are up and down. So change Y by 10, and when we click on this, the hedgehog will become more positive. And let's duplicate this to make it move downwards. We add a negative here, and let's click on it. The hedgehog is moving and the value Y is becoming more negative. Now that we know how to make it move up and down, let's go back to the events and include the up and down arrow keys. Let's drag it when space key press and change the space to up arrow, and for the negative one, we will change it to down arrow. Let's go back to your keyboard and try the up, down, left, right arrow keys. Great, we can move the hedgehog freely with our up, down, left, right arrow keys, and to restart the position, let's say whenever this Scratch project starts, I want the hedgehog to appear here. We first need to know what is the coordinates or position of the hedgehog, which is x and y. We know that the x is -162 and y is -113. So when the go button is pressed, we want the hedgehog to be in this position. So what we can do is go to Events and pick when green flag click, okay, and go back to Motion and pick go to X, Y, drag it here. This means that when green flag click, the hedgehog will go to this X and Y coordinates. Let's compare the coordinates. Okay, X is -162 and Y is -113, which is what we want. Now let's try and drag the hedgehog somewhere else on the screen. Restart the game by clicking the Go Green Flag button. Great! The hedgehog now can be repositioned back to the bottom left. There is another motion which is glide. Go to motion, pick glide 1 second to XY and drag it here. Let's say we want the hedgehog to glide to the top right. We need to change the coordinate X and Y. The X now would be 165 and Y is 122. Let's change this 122. Okay, let's restart the game and try and click on the glide 1 second to XY. We can see that the hedgehog actually from bottom left and glides to the top right within 1 second. Let's include this functionality with our space key. Go back to Event and pick when space key press, we're gonna glide. Let's try it out. Restart the project and press on your space key. Good.